Today we're out for a paddle on the Assawoman Canal. I've got my husband, I've got my aunt with me, and we've got our 3 Tucktec's out. This is a beautiful place to paddle. So as you can see, we were able to fit 3 Tucktec kayaks, paddles, life preservers, and 3 adults in my Kia Forte. At the end of this video, I also want to talk about a few Tucktec accessories we've been using. We launched our kayaks from the Assawoman kayak launch. There's a dock here which makes it really easy to launch, and this is on Seventown Road in Ocean View, Delaware. Be aware, if you want to park on site, you're going to have your Delaware State Parks Pass or pay the Delaware Parks fee to park there. So in addition to the easy kayak launch here, what I really love about it is this is nice, calm water. Obviously, you want to be mindful of the tides. We're here at high tide, so we don't have to worry about any low spots or anything like that. It's really nice and shaded. There's not a lot of boat traffic. You're going to see other kayakers and paddle boarders. So it's July now, and this is actually the 8th time this year I've been out in my Tucktec folding kayaks. So it's really been a great kayaking season so far, and because we're just in July, there is so much more kayaking season ahead. The canal is really a great place to see wildlife. We saw a number of different birds, and we passed this beautiful great blue heron in the water. So we paddled until we started to feel tired, and then we turned around to come back the way we came. When we were done, my fitness watch said we paddled for about 1 hour, 22 minutes. So it was really nice, even on a hot day because of the shade here. Obviously not out on the water right now, but what I do want to talk to you about is a few Tucktec accessories that we have tried. So my husband's 6 foot tall. Him and I kind of share the Pro kayak. If I go out by myself, sometimes I take the Tucktec Pro, sometimes I take the Junior. But the problem for him is since he's taller, his knees always kind of stuck up in the kayak. You can certainly paddle that way. It's not a big deal, but we were really excited when we saw that Tucktec is making a footrest extender. So what you can do is you can cut your old footrest and actually tie this in. Now we haven't done that because we share the kayak. I'm going to need to use the smaller footrest that is built in. He's going to need to use the extender. So we haven't tied that part on, but what we've been doing is you can see it has 2 different settings here. So he's been putting this in the kayak, and he says it stays really, really well, even with it not being tied on. And what this does is it allows him to brace his feet and fully extend his legs. So I'll show you a photo. He absolutely loves this. This is not an expensive accessory. Now be aware that this can only be used with the Tucktec Pro because the Junior 8-foot model doesn't have a footrest. But if you're a pro user and you're on the taller side, we definitely recommend this. It stays in place, it gives you that stability, and allows you to flatten your legs if you're on the taller side. Tucktec has also released some other accessories. So this is a cup holder. So if you have a model of Tucktec that has the seat cage, so if you have a newer Junior or you have a newer Pro and you have like basically the PVC pipe cage that connects onto the seat, you're going to be able to use this accessory. It clips on the side here. And what I really like about it is that this can accommodate like your disposable water bottle, but then it also can accommodate your big reusable water bottles. And as you can see, I could even put a bigger one in here, and just having this clip on the side couldn't be easier. Very easy to clip this on there. But just another nice accessory to have. A lot of times I throw my water bottle in the bottom of the kayak and it's moving up and down and rolling around. So this is just a nice little accessory to have. The cool thing about this is when it's time to fold up your kayak, this folds flat like this. So you're going to be able to fold this up in the Tucktec if you want to do that as well. Next accessory I want to show you is a fishing rod holder, and this is something I've been wanting for a long time. I know a lot of people have like invented their own and kind of made their own thing. Same thing. If you have a model Tucktec Junior or Pro that has the plastic PVC seat cage, this just clips on here, and this is a little bit oversized, so it's going to be able to accommodate all different types of fishing rods. It's going to have enough room, but I think this is really cool. This clips on the side of the seat cage. You could obviously use this on the right or the left side, but just another nice thing to have if you're someone who's out there doing fishing and you have a secure place to keep your rod. For these accessories, you're looking at a price point of under $20. Like I think the footrest extender is about $15. I think the rod holder is about $19. The cup holder is about $12. So some low price point accessories if you're looking for some of these add-ons for your kayak. If you're interested in picking up any of these accessories, you can use my link. It has a discount code, so be sure to check that out. Interested in seeing more about the Tucktec folding kayaks, check out my playlist on my channel page, or if you're looking for other kayak spots in Delaware, Pennsylvania, Maryland, you can also find that on my channel page. Thanks so much for watching this one. Because I was out with family and we had a visitor with us, I didn't film as much just because I was just enjoying having the company, and the three of us were really loving paddling the canal. So I hope you like this one. If you ever want to paddle the canal, I hope you get the information you need from the video and you can check it out for yourself.